Hey everybody, Jim King here with the King Piers Cartel. We are doing a 7-pier job in Pleasant Hill today. I'm on my way there to kind of watch over things, see how they goes. The homeowner's a little bit nervous, great guy, but sometimes I can't leave the house super early. So anyway, I'm on my way down here to Pleasant. Beautiful day, gorgeous day. It's going to be warm today, in the 60s. We are doing great things. If you guys haven't followed us on Facebook or our YouTube channel, we're doing great things, man. Sometimes we get a little spread thin, but man, we're knocking these jobs out fast, and I got the best group of men I could ever hope for. It's been with me for many years, going on 15 years, the majority of them. So yeah, it's been a nice ride. I'm having a good time, making people happy, putting smiles on people's faces. That's what I'm all about, is giving somebody a good product that works. And all other foundation repair, as I consider it, cookie cutter, temporary foundation repair that costs as much or more than what I do. Just follow my YouTube page, and if you would, if you watch that video of King Piers on YouTube, man, give us a subscribe and a like. It does something to the algorithms. And I've got close to 1,500 videos of King Pier projects. And I'm trying to now more educate the public on how to install a pier and save thousands of dollars themselves. Our system is non-invasive. We don't pollute the soil, contaminate the soil. Everything is just steel and concrete and hydraulics. And it's the biggest, strongest pier on the planet. I have 4 piers at King Pier 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you can get on my Google My Business page and see pictures, drawings of those 4 piers. So yeah, if you're out there, if your walls are leaning in or your floors are sinking, call me, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. And yeah, we're the one and only. And if you put everybody in a bowl, we're outside that bowl. Everything we do is, we do our very best. Engineering 101, every job, every time. We guarantee to raise the footing back to level. When you pay us your money, your hard-earned money, you want to see a change for the good in your home. We level things and make your footing bigger. And that's the whole problem. If these cities around would make, instead of the minimum being a 2-foot wide, 8-inch thick footing with 2 runs of rebar with low strength concrete, and they would change that to a 4,000 pound mix, and the footings be 4 feet wide, 1 foot thick with high strength concrete, no fly ash in the concrete, 100